Erika. You may remember me from our Canva 101 session. Today I'm going to tell you about a new feature I learned about in Canva. This is how to add gradients into shapes and backgrounds. First, we have shapes in the Elements menu. Here we can add a square, and selecting the color of it, you will be able to click this icon, and right here we have a solid color option and a gradient one. Inside there are two colors and different styles. These styles are linear and circular, which you may think look the same. However, if we change these colors, you may be able to see the difference. Here this is the circular one and this is the linear one. Anyway, you may add how many colors you want, and then you may delete them if you want to, or you can change back to the solid color option. For backgrounds, it works the same way. Here I have created a new page in which we already have a gradient, but you can choose or pick any color, clicking the icon and choose gradient. Then you will have the exact same options you had before, linear gradients and then circular ones. So to show you how it looks in our final design, I have already added this square with a gradient into the graphic we were working on during our Canva 101 session. This is how it can turn out. It is actually not possible to include this kind of gradients into text because it doesn't show that option. We can also check this one here, and it won't offer that option either. That was it for today. Hope you have learned something new.